Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a fall-themed pumpkin crochet keychain. I hope you find this video helpful. The pumpkin keychain design can be made with any colors you like. Here are the materials you'll need for this project. Scissors, a 2.5mm crochet hook, keychain clips, a tapestry needle, fiber fill to stuff your pumpkin, cream yarn for the main color, coffee-colored yarn for the pumpkin stem. If you're ready, let's get started. After making your slip knot. After making a slip knot, chain 18, making sure your chains aren't too tight. Before continuing with the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Starting in the third chain from the hook, make a half double crochet to the end of the row, 16 half double crochets in total. I've completed 16 half double crochet. For the second row, we'll chain 2. Turn our work. Starting in the back loop of the first half double crochet, we'll make half double crochets across until the end of the row. We'll make 16 half double crochet. We are getting near the end of the second row. I've made 14 half double crochets so far. This is my 15th half double crochets, and I will work my 16th half double crochet into the top of the beginning chain. Chain 2 and turn your work. This stitch pattern will be repeated for each row. Work 16 half double crochets across into the back loop only of each stitch from the previous row. Continue working in this manner until you have a total of 18 rows. I'm working on the third row, and I've completed 14 half double crochets. Here's my 15th half double crochets, and here's my 16th half double crochets will be worked into the top loop of the first chain. Chain 2, turn your work. Now, repeat the previous steps for the remaining 15 rows for a total of 18 rows. I crocheted a total of 18 rows. The pattern that we made with the rows is going to look like little lines on the pumpkin. Each one of these is going to form a segment of the pumpkin. After the 18th row, chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing. Thread the tail onto a tapestry needle. And we're going to sew the ends together to form the top of the pumpkin. We'll do that by going through the back loops of the half double crochets that we made. Now, we'll turn our work inside out. I'll use my crochet hook to help weave the yarn tail into the stitches and hide it. Now we are going to cinch the top closed by sewing in a zigzag pattern across the opening. Now that I've cinched the top closed, I'm going to stuff the pumpkin with fiber fill. Now I'll cinch the bottom closed as well, again working in a zigzag pattern. We'll create the little indentions for the segments of the pumpkin by going over and under each row. Now let's make the stem of the pumpkin. After making a magic circle, chain 1 and work 8 single crochets into the circle. Pull the magic circle tail to cinch it closed, then slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet. Chain 1, and then we'll make 2 single crochets into the top loop of the next single crochet. We'll repeat this pattern, 1 double, 1 single crochet, until we have 12 E-stitches in total. Now we'll slip stitch into the first chain. Chain 1. Then cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing. Thread the yarn tail onto your tapestry needle. You can attach the stem to the top or the bottom of the pumpkin. I am attaching my stem to the top. Sew the stem to the pumpkin using the yarn tail. Now, let's attach the keychain clip. Insert the tapestry needle into the center of the stem, bringing it out through the bottom of the pumpkin. Weave the yarn tail through the stitches at the bottom of the pumpkin to hide it. And that completes our pumpkin keychain. That's it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. See you in my next video.